Good afternoon. I got a 2019 Subaru Impreza. I believe it's the Sport Premium Wagon. It's a really nice, I think it's a pearl white color. Looks really good. Of course, this one is all-wheel drive, and it's got a bunch of options. We'll go over it. Looks like it's got Michelin all-season tires. Looks like they're in good shape as well. Yeah, this one has the Subaru EyeSight. Let's go have a look at the driver's seat from the back. It's got black cloth interior. I believe the front seats are heated, but we'll check that out in a second. It's got the big screen, moonroof, black headliner, which is nice. And it's got a bunch of safety features with the EyeSight, like the, I don't know if you can see the light on right there, blind spot monitors. Got like carbon fiber there. It's got premium sound, Harman Kardon. Alrighty. So let's go over the steering wheel. We got the paddle shifters. This has adaptive cruise control, which is really nice. The standard stereo, Bluetooth set steering wheel controls. This one has 45,000 miles. Has keyless access, so you don't need the key to physically unlock it or turn the car on. It does have Carplay and Android Auto. Let's throw it in reverse. Got the camera. I'm not sure what that screen up there is responsible for. Got the climate control. It does have heated seats. It is automatic. It's got, I can't really show you that well, but it's got USB inputs there. Passenger seats. Oh, here's the EyeSight like command center. It's got lane departure warning, collision warning. It'll hit the brakes for you if you're not paying attention. The blind spot monitors, those little lights in your side view mirrors, they'll pop on if somebody's in your blind spots. Yeah, that's the setting for it. Let's have a look in the back seat. It's like a really nice black cloth with black carbon fiber. Pretty roomy in the back. It's a wagon, so it's a little roomier than a normal sedan, I think. It's got good trunk space as well. Yeah, it's a really nice car in white. Looks good. Got the 4-cylinder boxer engine, which is known to be pretty reliable. So yeah, thanks for watching the video. I hope this helped out at all. Take care. Have a good day.